Everyone wants a luxury SUV, but almost no one knows how to buy the right one. The market is absolutely flooded with options that look incredible in the showroom, but will punish you the second the warranty expires. We've all heard the horror stories: air suspensions that collapse overnight, twin-turbo V8s that require a second mortgage for an oil change, and touchscreens that freeze every time you try to turn on the heated seats. But you don't have to settle for a rolling repair bill, and you don't have to sacrifice comfort for reliability. There is a specific tier of luxury SUVs that combine genuine, vault-like isolation with bulletproof engineering. One is a Japanese hybrid that practically runs on air. Another is a German powerhouse that finally solved the reliability equation. And number one, a Korean disruptor that is actively terrifying the European established brands. Forget the hype, let's look at the data. These are the 10 best luxury SUVs you should actually buy in 2026. Starting with number 10. Number 10, the 2024-2026 Acura MDX Type S. The smart enthusiast choice. $45,000, $55,000. The MDX has always been the sensible choice for families, but the Type S injects actual adrenaline into the formula. It's for the buyer who needs 3 rows, but still secretly wants to drive a sports sedan. A lot of buyers ignore Acura, assuming it's just a dressed-up Honda Pilot. That used to be somewhat true, but the current generation MDX rides on its own exclusive, dedicated light truck platform. The Type S uses a bespoke 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, producing 355 horsepower, paired with Acura's legendary super handling all-wheel drive, SHAWD. This system physically vectors torque to the outside rear wheel during cornering, making this massive SUV pivot like a car half its size. It's incredibly reliable, significantly cheaper to maintain than its German rivals, and features a brilliant air suspension that actually works. Look for a 2024 model with the advanced package to get the incredible 25-speaker ELS Studio 3D audio system, widely considered one of the best sound systems in any car at any price. The MDX uses a touchpad interface for the infotainment screen instead of a touchscreen. It takes a few days to get used to. When test driving, make sure you are actually comfortable navigating the menus with the pad while driving. The MDX is the smart, sporty choice, but if you want absolute, undisputed reliability in a smaller package, number 9 is the industry gold standard. Number 9, the 2023-2026 Lexus RX 350h. The immortal commuter. $42,000, $52,000. The Lexus RX practically invented the luxury crossover segment. It is designed for one thing: getting you from point A to point B in absolute stress-free comfort, regardless of what is happening outside. Lexus completely redesigned the RX for 2023, dropping the legendary, buttery-smooth, naturally aspirated V6 in favor of 4-cylinder engines. Purists panicked. The panic was unnecessary. The RX 350h uses a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder paired with the latest generation of Toyota's hybrid Synergy drive. It produces 246 horsepower, which is plenty for commuting, but the real magic is the fuel economy. This heavy luxury SUV easily achieves 36 mpg combined. It is mathematically the cheapest luxury vehicle to operate over a 10-year period, and the hybrid powertrain will effortlessly cross 250,000 miles. Find a Premium Plus trim. It hits the perfect balance of luxury features, like the massive 14-inch touchscreen and panoramic roof, without the inflated price of the top-tier luxury trim. The new RX uses electronic push-button door handles, e-latch, inside and out. Ensure all 4 doors open smoothly, from both the inside and outside without needing multiple presses. The RX is the king of hybrid reliability, but if you want to trade efficiency for raw, unadulterated off-road capability wrapped in leather, number 8 is a British icon. Number 8, the 2020-2024 Land Rover Defender 110 P400. The capable brute. $45,000, $60,000. The Defender is the ultimate do-anything vehicle. It has the boxy, aggressive presence of a G-Wagon, the off-road capability of a Jeep Wrangler, and the highway ride quality of a luxury sedan. It's a modern Land Rover. The brand's historical reliability record is, frankly, terrifying. The new Defender is actually bucking the trend. The P400 model uses the Ingenium 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine with a mild hybrid system. It produces 395 horsepower and is proving to be surprisingly robust. The key is that the Defender was built to be a global workhorse, so the core mechanical components are vastly over-engineered compared to a standard Range Rover. The Defender 110, the 4-door model, in the SE trim with the P400 engine. Avoid the base 4-cylinder P300. It's too weak for a vehicle this heavy. The Defender heavily relies on its complex air suspension for both off-road clearance and highway comfort. Park the vehicle, raise the suspension to its maximum off-road height, and walk around to ensure all four corners are lifted evenly and quietly. Listen for any hissing sounds that indicate an air leak. The Defender is an off-road beast, but if you want the absolute sharpest on-road handling in the mid-size class, number 7 is a German masterpiece. Number 7, the 2022-2026 Porsche Macan S, the tall sports car. $48,000, $65,000. The Macan isn't an SUV that tries to be sporty, it is a sports car that happens to have a liftgate. It offers steering feel and chassis dynamics that completely embarrass most sports sedans. The base Macan uses a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine sourced from Volkswagen. It's fine, but you are paying a massive Porsche premium for a VW engine. You absolutely must buy the Macan S. For the 2022 facelift, Porsche dropped the incredible 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, the same engine used in the Audi RS5, into the Macan S. It pushes 375 horsepower and is paired with the legendary 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. It is virtually bulletproof, incredibly fast, and handles flawlessly any 2022 or newer Macan S. The 2022 model year brought the bigger engine and modernized the center console, removing the sea of physical buttons. The Macan is notorious for tearing its front CV axle boots, especially if the car is driven hard. Turn the steering wheel full lock and shine a flashlight behind the front wheels. If you see thick, black grease splattered on the suspension components, the CV boot has torn. It's a $600 fix per side. The Macan is the undisputed handling king, but if you need to haul 7 people in absolute silence, number 6 is the smartest 3-row buy in Germany. If you made it this far, hit like. Watch the tire roll. Stupidly satisfying. Subscribe if you want the SUVs that actually last. Back to the list. Number 6. The 2021-2024 Audi Q7 55 TFSI 3.0T. The executive hauler. $38,000, $52,000. The Q7 is the definitive luxury family hauler. It promises whisper-quiet acoustic glass, massive interior space, and a ride quality that genuinely rivals vehicles costing twice as much. If you buy the cheaper 45 TFSI 2.0-liter four-cylinder version, you are making a terrible mistake. The four-cylinder is heavily overworked trying to move a 5,000-pound tank. You must explicitly hunt down the 55 TFC model. This gets you the brilliant 3.0-liter single-turbo V6, the EA839. Co-developed with Porsche, this engine is an absolute masterpiece. It pushes 335 horsepower, delivers massive low-end torque effortlessly, and is paired with a heavy-duty ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. It is the most mathematically reliable 3-row luxury SUV manufactured in Germany. Find a 2021 or 2022 Q7 Premium Plus. The Q7 utilizes a 48-volt mild hybrid system. There is a widely documented defect with the belt starter generator, BSG/alternator, failing, leaving the car dead on the highway. Audi knows about this and issued an extended warranty. Before buying, run the VIN at the dealership to ensure the upgraded, revised BSG has already been installed. The Q7 is a massive value, but if you want the ultimate mid-size powerhouse that basically ignores physics, number 5 is a Porsche masterpiece. Number 5, the 2021-2024 Porsche Cayenne e-Hybrid. The tax loophole. $55,000, $75,000. The Cayenne e-Hybrid promises the ultimate duality, pure electric driving for your daily school run in the city, and a turbocharged V6 for canyon carving on the weekends. People are terrified of used German hybrids, assuming the battery will fail and cost $20,000. Because of this fear, they depreciate massively. Porsche heavily over-engineered this system. It combines a 3.0-liter turbo V6 with an electric motor integrated directly into the transmission. Together, they produce a massive 455 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. It is significantly faster than the standard Cayenne S, gets better fuel economy, and quietly does its job in EV mode without making a fuss. Target a 2022 or 2023 Cayenne e-Hybrid. Porsche legally warrants the high-voltage hybrid battery for 8 years or 100,000 miles in the US. If you buy a 2022 model, you still have massive factory warranty coverage protecting you from the one thing everyone is afraid of. Buy with confidence. The Cayenne e-Hybrid is the performance sweet spot, but if you want a massive, old-school body-on-frame tank that will survive the apocalypse, number 4 is a legend. Number 4, the 2022-2024 Lexus LX 600. The immortal Land Cruiser. $75,000, $95,000. The LX is the flagship Lexus SUV. It is literally a Toyota Land Cruiser dressed in a tuxedo. It promises unparalleled off-road capability, massive road presence, and the knowledge that the vehicle will easily outlive you. Lexus completely redesigned the LX for 2022, dropping the legendary naturally aspirated V8 for a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6. Traditionalists hated it, while the early 2022 and 2023 Toyota Tundras, which share this engine, had well-documented issues with main bearing failures. Lexus models were built in a different facility with stricter quality control and largely escaped the catastrophic recalls. The twin-turbo V6 pushes 409 horsepower and 479 pound-foot of torque, making the heavy LX significantly faster and better to drive than the old V8 models. It remains an indestructible luxury tank. The LX 600 Premium Trim. Avoid the F-Sport unless you really want the stiffer suspension, as it ruins the buttery smooth ride this vehicle is famous for. The LX uses a highly complex hydraulic suspension system, AHC, to raise and lower the vehicle. Cycle the suspension through all height settings multiple times. The movement should be smooth and even. The LX 600 is a massive tank, but if you prefer unparalleled on-road luxury and a stunning interior, number 3 is the ultimate stealth wealth choice. Number 3. The 2021-2024 Genesis GV80 3.5T. The industry disruptor. $40,000, $55,000. The GV80 is the SUV that genuinely terrified the German automakers. It offers an interior that rivals a Bentley Bentayga, stunning exterior design, penned by a former Bentley designer, and massive road presence. Genesis is still fighting the "it's just a Hyundai" stigma, which means these SUVs suffer from heavy depreciation on the used market. That depreciation is your best friend. You can buy a 375 horsepower, 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 luxury SUV with an interior that will make a Mercedes GLE look cheap for the price of a mid-tier Honda Pilot. The ride quality is phenomenal, the technology is highly intuitive, and the V6 engine has proven to be incredibly robust. Find a 2022 or 2023 GV80 3.5T Advanced or Prestige. Early GV80s, specifically 2021 models, had well-documented issues with the 22-inch wheels, causing a severe vibration or shudder at highway speeds. Take the vehicle up to 75 miles per hour. If the steering wheel shakes, the tires likely have flat spots or the rims are bent. Stick to the models with the 20-inch wheels if you live in an area with bad roads. The GV80 is the ultimate value play, but if you want the absolute benchmark of mid-size luxury, number 2 is the industry gold standard. Number 2, the 2020-2024 BMW X5 xDrive 40i, the unbeatable benchmark. $38,000, $55,000. The BMW X5 G05 generation is the Swiss Army knife of the luxury SUV world. It does absolutely everything perfectly. It handles like a sports sedan, rides like a luxury flagship, and has one of the best infotainment systems ever designed. iDrive 7/8. People are still terrified of used BMWs because of the brand's historically catastrophic V8 engines. Do not buy the V8. The absolute genius of the modern X5 lies in the xDrive 40i model, which uses the legendary B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six. This engine, which Toyota famously trusted enough to put in the Supra, is mathematically one of the most reliable, over-engineered, and bulletproof powertrains currently in existence. It pushes 335 to 375 horsepower, depending on the year, and will easily run for 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Find a 2021 or 2022 xDrive 40i with the M Sport package, which dramatically improves the exterior styling. The B58 engine is flawless, but the active kidney grills on the front of the car are known to fail and stick open or closed. When you start the car cold, physically watch the grills on the front bumper. They should remain closed to warm up the engine, then open later. If they are stuck open when the car is off, the actuator motor is broken. The X5 is the mid-size king, but the undisputed holy grail at number 1 is the most indestructible, timeless luxury SUV ever manufactured. Number 1. The 2016-2021 Lexus LX 570, the immortal bank vault. $45,000, $70,000. The LX 570 is the final iteration of the legendary 200 series Land Cruiser platform. It promises unparalleled off-road capability, massive road presence, and a naturally aspirated V8. It gets absolutely abysmal fuel economy, roughly 13 mpg in the city, and the infotainment system feels like it's from 2012. Ask any independent mechanic what the most reliable full-size luxury SUV ever built is, and they will point directly to this exact vehicle. The 3UR FE 5.7-liter V8 is mathematically flawless. It is a commercial-grade cast-iron workhorse that simply refuses to break down. You are buying a vehicle that you can confidently hand down to your grandchildren. It is the absolute pinnacle of Toyota's over-engineering era. Find a 2018 to 2021 LX 570. These vehicles are incredibly heavy and eat through brake pads and rotors. Check the massive front brake rotors for a deep lip on the outer edge. Also, ensure the hydraulic suspension, AHC, cycles smoothly. If the suspension fluid is black, it should be clear/pinkish. It needs an immediate flush. I just spent this whole video telling you which SUVs to buy. Now I have to keep you from making a massive mistake. If you see any of these three models, walk away immediately. Any pre-2020 Range Rover 5.0-liter V8, buying an older Range Rover out of warranty is financial suicide. The 5.0-liter V8 is notorious for catastrophic timing chain guide failures, the air suspension bags frequently tear, and the electrical gremlins are legendary. The repair bills will easily exceed the value of the vehicle. The 2016-2019 Volvo XC90, T6, T8 models. The early second-generation XC90s are stunning to look at, but they are incredibly complex. Volvo used an engine that was both supercharged and turbocharged, and hybridized in the T8. This massive level of complexity led to frequent engine failures, software crashes, and air suspension issues. Any early BMW X5 S63 V8 engine. While they sound incredible and are terrifyingly fast, the S63 twin-turbo V8 used in older X5M models is a ticking time bomb. The turbochargers sit inside the V of the engine, baking the surrounding plastic components, causing severe oil leaks, valve stem seal failures, and eventual engine death. Avoid them unless you have a massive repair budget. Now I want to hear from the actual owners. Which luxury SUV do you currently own? And is it a bulletproof tank or a complete financial regret? Drop your stories and your mileage in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. The next video in our 10 Best Models series is waiting for you on your screen right now. I'll see you in it.